Welcome to Finding the Way Forward with Wayground AI. This video offers a comprehensive guide to creating, differentiating, and analyzing instruction with your intelligent teaching assistant. Wayground has evolved from a single gamified quiz tool to a complete instructional ecosystem. It is now an all-in-one AI learning hub, guiding every student on their individual path, while freeing teachers to focus on the human side of teaching. This AI-assisted instructional cycle involves 3 key steps: plan and create, facilitate and differentiate, and analyze and intervene. The AI automates complex tasks in each of these phases, streamlining your workflow. You can generate complete interactive modules from any source, including YouTube videos, PDFs, web pages, or text prompts. Stop building from scratch. Let the AI lay the foundation so you can focus on the finishing touches. Wayground AI allows you to target precise WIDA ELD standards without leaving your workflow. Simply select, tag, and prompt the AI to generate perfectly aligned questions for English language learners. The Import and Transform feature allows you to digitize and transform static archives instantly. Upload legacy files, and the AI converts them into dynamic digital sessions, turning a worksheet into an interactive mastery game in minutes. The AI Enhancement Hub lets you differentiate with a single click. Toggles allow for instant translation, reading level adjustment, and format swapping to adjust cognitive load. Wayground provides invisible accommodations that drive visible equity. Apply group or individual adjustments like dyslexia-friendly fonts, automated read-aloud functionality, and custom AI-generated alt text. VoyageMath offers adaptive journeys to math mastery. It is a gamified, adaptive math experience with the step guide tutor, an embedded AI that intervenes to offer guided support without simply providing the answer. Reclaim hours with automated qualitative grading. The AI instantly grades open-ended and audio response questions by strictly applying your custom evaluation criteria, ensuring objective and instant feedback. Unlocking AI. Analyze turns raw data into narrative insights. When specific conditions are met, such as low accuracy or completion rates, you can generate analysis to instantly receive class and student-level insight summaries. Close the loop by moving from insight to immediate intervention. The AI identifies struggling skills, recommends resources, and allows you to assign targeted practice until mastery is achieved. Wayground prioritizes security by design. No personally identifiable information is ever sent to the AI system, and Wayground adheres strictly to FERPA and COPPA, being ISO certified for information security management. The ROI of Wayground AI is measured in reclaimed teacher time. Tasks that once took hours, like lesson creation and differentiation, now take seconds or a single click, allowing you to focus on instruction. Wayground AI is like a Swiss Army knife for the classroom. It handles the heavy lifting of creation, differentiation, and analysis, allowing you to focus on the human side of teaching.